Let It Go Diet, day 13. Juice number 7. It is called the Strong Core Juice. I'm glad you guys are tuning in. Today I talked to a colleague about this whole channel and trying to help people. Showing you my path over 21 days, how I'm going to lose weight with the Let It Go diet. My goal is to share this plan with you, to let you know that you too can eat clean. I want to help you get on that path. People are sitting there on the fence going, should I, shouldn't I, shouldn't I, should I, shouldn't I? Yeah, you should. Definitely try it. It's the most empowering decision you can make for 21 days to eat clean. Is it tough? Come on. There is no taste as good as the feeling of skinny. When you feel thin, you feel better. It's just that easy. Make sure you subscribe to the video and channel below. Like the video. This is today's juice, Strong Core Juice. We're on a 3-day stint of juicing. This is the last of 3 days. And this is one of 2 juices for today. And tomorrow we have some spaghetti squash pasta. So what is in today's juice? Remember, this is one juice, just one. You'll love it. It's called the Strong Core Juice. We have 2 platters to juice today. All this goes in here. It goes in here. So, 15 celery stalks, 3 cucumbers, 3 cilantro handfuls, 3 parsley handfuls. We're in the weeds in this one. We are definitely in the weeds. 9 carrots, 3 lemons, and 6 inches of ginger. The ginger has strong anti-inflammatory properties and can help boost your immune system. Carrots are also high in vitamin A, and vitamin A can help strengthen your immune system. Carrots help stimulate antibodies and white blood cells to help fight infections. Come on now. I mean, we're just coming out of this pandemic. Anything to boost your immunity. Carrots, ginger, parsley, cilantro, this will make your body feel better. I really hope you guys choose this. So let's go ahead and start this juice. Make sure you follow the 21-day videos that are on YouTube, or go to letitgo.com. No, it's not that. It's letitgodiet.com. Yeah, go to that channel and or that website. Another hard day with work. Got a lot on my mind. I have to practice to let all of it go. You want to let your stress go, and you want to let go the bad decisions for eating, putting junk in your body. I'm doing that. I need to practice letting go of some other stuff, but I am not going to put bad food in my body. I'm making that choice to at least eat clean. So let's continue juicing. So take about 15 minutes. No, you don't have to stay for 15 minutes. I'll go ahead and pause the video action and I'll be back. So stay tuned. See you shortly. Alright, we just finished up juicing the Strong Core Juice. This was from the first batch. Remember, we cleaned out this whole entire platter full of vegetables and some fruit. Real bright, kind of lime green. So far, a lot of our juice has been more of like a darker split pea soup or beet purple. This is a little bit lighter in color, almost the color of this romaine leaf lettuce. Why do we juice? Look at the fiber that was removed. When we remove the fiber, our digestive tract gets a little time to relax, go to sleep. It doesn't have to work to always digest food. When it gets to rest, your body is able to metabolize all the fat that's stored around your organs. You'll lose weight, but you're going to feel better. As I was saying earlier, I talked to a colleague, and she was saying a lot of people just need help on what do I need to do to lose weight? How do I lose the belly fat? It's all right here in the Let It Go diet. I'm actually putting these videos out there with hopes that other people would join in. I want you to be like a family. And on letitgo.com, I'll find a way to upload pictures so you can do before and after pictures. I have a video on there now that shows my before and after. Not this time, but from before. So let's check out this color up close. Check out that green. It's tasty. Telling you, every time you do it, tastes like the farm. You're putting the farm in your body. You'd be disgusted if I told you this tastes like, I don't know. I always say steak or brisket. Imagine if I said, oh, this tastes like liquid brisket. Brisket smells good, but it's not good to drink it like a juice. Well, I mean, the juice is good, but a whole pitcher of it? No way. So I hope you got the recipe ingredients for the Strong Core juice. Let's give it a taste. Healthy, man. Healthy. I'm telling you. Straight from the farm. Straight from the farm. Until next time, subscribe to the channel, like the video. We have one more juice tonight, so tune into the next video. I have nothing else to say. See you soon.